Hello, this video is being created by Dr. Frady and Jasmine Gonzalez to help you understand how to do the budget assignment in our College Core class. So Jasmine, thank you for helping me out with this. If you will go ahead and share your screen, what you're going to see when Jasmine shares her screen is that you will see that she is in a College Core class. And Jasmine, if you go all the way back, yeah, so that they can just see it from the beginning. So she's going to open up the College Core class that she's in. And once she does that, she's going to go over to assignments. And she will go down to budget due. And when she gets to budget due, she sees that there's some information here. She can see that it's got the information about the due date and her time that it's due. Now, if you're watching this video, your due date might be different because she's in a different class than you are, perhaps. There's a template that's provided there that tells you how your budget's going to be graded. And then there's a paragraph. So I want to take just a moment to read you that paragraph that's up just a little bit, and then we'll get into the budget part. It says, using the template provided, create a personal budget, and then look to see how the money in and the money out relate to each other. Write one page response to my budget paper in which you reflect on your budget, including a graph of some kind related to your budget. And don't worry, there's another video about how to do a graph. You want to note areas of your budget that make you happy and areas that might make you sad about how you're currently taking money in and then currently spending money. And in this paper, you want to note how you're going to make any needed changes in the future to your budget. And you'll post your budget and your one-page response to my budget paper into Canvas. Now, I told you there was a template, and Jasmine is so nice to help me out. She's going to click on the orange link in the middle of the page. And when she does that, it takes her to a Google sheet that's called Budget for College Core. Now, if she tries to manipulate anything within that sheet, she won't be able to, because as you can see in the upper left-hand corner, it says view only. I made it view only on purpose because if Jasmine started manipulating it and somebody in another class started manipulating the master copy, it would mess everything up. So in order for Jasmine to make this budget her own, she's going to make a copy of it. She's going to go up to the word File. She's going to click on the word File and scroll down until she sees the words Make a Copy, and she'll click on that. Now a box pops up that says the name of this document is going to be called Copy of Budget for College Core. And it's automatically going to save it in her Google Drive. So she's going to click OK. It's going to take just a moment, and this has popped up. And if you notice the upper left-hand corner of your screen, it says Copy of Budget for College Core. Now Jasmine is just for fun. This is not for her grade or anything. She's just going to add some imaginary numbers in there. And you can see where before she couldn't add any numbers because she's made a copy within her Google Drive. She can add her numbers. So in reality, she would add numbers for all of these columns, for all of the money out that she was spending and paying for things, and all of the money in. And then she would look at that and she would be like, wow, you know, this month I had hoped I would spend $100 on my cell phone bill, but in reality it was $500. And then when she writes her paper, she'll reflect upon how she's spending her money. But for her to be able to get this into Canvas, she's going to need to download it to her computer. And so what she's going to do is she's going to go into Files at the top of her page. She happens to be online with an internet connection called Opera. It might be a little bit different for you, but I wanted to show you how she was doing it. So she's going to go to Files, or go to File, and she's going to scroll down to Save Page as PDF. Your computer might be just a little bit different, but if you can save this document as a PDF to your computer, then you can upload it back into Canvas. So go ahead and click that. And you can see that the name of her file is Copy of Budget for College Core. And she can put it wherever she wants it. She can put it in her desktop. Why don't you go ahead and click on those arrows there. She can put it in her downloads. She can put it in her student life. She can put it wherever she wants to put it. We can maybe have her put it in desktop. And she's going to click Save. And because she and I have practiced this before, there was already a copy of it there. So now she has actually told Google Drive, put this particular document onto my personal computer. So now she's going to go back to Canvas. And she's going to pretend that she's finished this assignment. She's filled in all the blanks. She's written her one-page reflective response. And on hers, it says resubmit assignment. That's only because she and I have been working on that several different times. Yours should just say submit assignment. So pretend yours says submit assignment, and she's going to click on submit assignment. And then she's going to go down here to File, Upload, and she's going to choose the file that she just put this document on her computer. So she knows that she just had it recently there, and she's got it as a PDF, and she's got a little picture that shows the copy of the budget, and she's going to click Open there. And then you can see right there it says by Choose File, Copy of Budget, Google Sheets, and then she's going to hit Submit Assignment. And then after she's done that, then all of the different professors and all of the different classes should be able to grade your budget assignment. And here's the thing. Everybody's computer does things a little bit differently. So if you get to the point after you make a copy of the budget and you manipulate it and put in all of your numbers, you might need to save your Google Sheet as an Excel sheet to your computer in order to then have it as a file to put it into your Canvas assignment submission place. You might need to do it as a PDF, as Jasmine and I did it tonight. So we're praying that this goes well for everybody and that you learn a lot about budgeting your money. Thank you, Jasmine, for helping me out tonight. This is the end of this recording.